We're gonna make the pumpkin dissolve and change the whole complexion of our pot. Come in and have a look. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Yes, people, big up yourself. So we've got 4 guests on our program. Big up yourself, everyone. Wagwan. Hi. Say hello to 24 Hour Kitchen. Say hello to everyone. Come in a bit. Yes, people, Wagwan. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision, people. And guess what? Come in. Today is another amazing episode. Guess what's on the menu, people? Yeah, as you can see, the whole range of vegetables. But guess what I've got on the menu as well, people? Yeah, I've got a Jamaican star apple, people. Yeah, so we're going to bust this. Just lock in yourself, people. Yeah, look. All right, our good vibes. Yes, everybody outside again. So guess what, people? Yeah, so look, our good vibes, and big up yourself. If you haven't yet ordered your all-purpose seasoning mix, yeah, try get one of these in your cupboard. Send me an email and I'll email you back wherever you are on the road. This one will reach you quick and fast. Our good vibes. All right, people, look, we've got the whole range of fruits and vegetables them out here today, you know. Our good vibes, big up yourself. It's another amazing episode cooking what? Organic and healthy food, yeah. You see this pot here? This pot is a full organic pot, people, yeah. So big up yourself. You don't know what going. You're locked into 24 Hour Kitchen and Ringo Vision. Our good vibes. Can you hear those sounds? The birds them just are sing out here, you know, man. Are good vibes. So I've just washed off some okra, some Scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. A flavour where I put some flavour and I will pack, people. Big up yourself. We're back on that movement right now, people, yeah, because it's that time, like I said to you, I've been waiting for the weather to just get nice and bright outside, and you get me, we're going to be getting on some exciting journeys, so just stay tuned, people, yeah, we're in it right now, yeah, for the excitement and for the good food, people, yeah, big up yourself. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. If this is the first time you've come on the program, big up yourself and thank you very much for coming through. And if you've already been on the program and you've been on the journey, come on, it's a family thing. Come on, we've been doing this thing, and big up yourself as well for just being a part of the team, being a part of the family. I understand, people. I'll go back to your pattern. Yeah, man, the food I have to go in like pattern. That me I talk about. Yes, people, so big up yourself. Come on, look, I've got some okra here, Scotch bonnet pepper, the little small onion, they call it shallots, and I've got also the thyme, people, yeah. So this is just a flavouring, and obviously just adding a few bits of okra in from early, everyone, yeah. You don't know what go on. The pumpkin and the carrot and the scallions already go on doing its thing, just adding flavour already, people, yeah. So our good vibes, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we don't know, say, 24 Hour Kitchen, and we do the right thing. Look at the scallion, look at the thyme. Yeah, man, bust that. See the Scotch bonnet pepper? You're gonna drop that in, people, yeah? Our good vibes, big up yourself. Good. Right, you see this pot of soup here, people, because it's vegetable? We can put everything in one time, you know, but we're not putting everything in one time. We're gonna take our time. We're gonna wait for the pumpkin now to just boil up and everything. And then we're gonna start adding our next ingredients, which is like the yam, the cocoa, the dasheen. And we're just gonna make everything just go and boil out, people, yeah? Our good vibes, big up yourself. Now, you know, look at that. Look inside of that. Yeah, man, that's the star apple, people. So we are consuming some star apple. Look at that. A good vibe. So can you see that? Can you see that on the inside it's kind of like whitish, creamy, and then on the outside it's got that purpley, and it's got like 2 big seeds in the middle. You just take the seeds them out and then you consume the rest of the fruit, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Jamaican star apple, our good vibes. Next thing you have to be careful, yeah? This will stain up your hand, stain up your mouth, like glue. star apple people, yeah. That is it. Good vibes. That me I talk about, you know. That one are good. Sweet. So you see the rest of that fruit there? You dash that. Nice. Me? Get the last little bit of. I hope you guys made a wish as well, you know. That is it. When you see the flowers, them a spring up, so you know, say, wagwan people, yeah. The sun a come. Can you see the flowers, them a jump out, and the grass is green. We can look at the iPad quickly. Yes, people, so look, we've come to that amazing point of the program. Guess what's going on right now, yeah? We're gonna make the pumpkin dissolve and change the whole complexion of our pot. Come in and have a look. Look at that. Wow, look at that. So you see the pumpkin now, yeah? Look at this. It's so soft and it's mashed out, boiled until it can be easily mashed out. I'm just gonna pop it back into our pan. Just like that. Or we can just, the rest of it, I'm just gonna mash it out in the pan. As you can see that the color of the water is automatically changing, everybody, yeah, from that clear color to that nice red, rich color, people, yeah. Yeah, man, it's a soup vibes. So it's a pumpkin base. Big up yourself if you just come through on the program, people. 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, this is a organic pot, people, yeah, idle pot. Yeah, man, it's got all the ingredients in there. That's been just flavoring our pot and just seasoning it up for us to put the rest of the ingredients in, like the yam, the cocoa, the dasheen, our good vibes. Big up yourself. One more look into the pot, people. Yes, people, big up yourself. So we've got 4 guests on our program. Big up yourself, everyone. Wagwan.
Hi.
Say hello to 24-hour kitchen and say hello to everybody that's watching on YouTube.
Hi, everybody.
Come in a bit, X. Come in a bit. So guess what I'm going now here? So this is called a dasheen. Have you guys ever tried dasheen before? No. You know what dasheen is? Okay, so dasheen is a root vegetable. It's grown underneath the ground. Sometimes grown in like swampy, like wet in area. So you know, like you've got some things that grown on like solid dirt. This one's there like grown in like a bit of swampy land as well, yeah? Alright, so look, a good vibe. So you want to introduce yourselves, everybody. Just introduce yourselves while I'm just there cutting up and whatnot. Tell them who you are, innit, one by one. Yeah, man, we're there up on the program. And you can't be too shy neither, you know, because we're there and it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Hey, we don't want you to be shy because it's a big one happy family. We're outside today and we're cooking. Yeah, man, the dasheen, look. Dasheen ready for going in the pot. How does the pot smell, guys? I need you guys to give back the feedback.
Oh, it smells like mama's food.
That smells
delicious.
Good. Yeah? Come in and have a look at the colour as well and come and check it out. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to be sipping up. So you see the dasheen now, I'm just going to cut it and put it in the pot. So any of you guys chefs, where's my chef? Who's my chef here?
Yeah, I can cook, but
Cool. So we've got some chefs out here as well, everybody here.
closest to cooking.
Huh?
Closest
Go on.
you'll get to a chef.
So when is the last time you cooked?
Proper, the whole meal?
A whole meal,
like,
yeah.
A couple weeks back.
What was the last?
I don't really cook. My mum usually does the cooking. I just help.
What was the last meal that you cooked?
We had soup. It was chicken soup, but it was a thick, creamy chicken soup.
Okay.
Tasted delicious with the scotch bonnet in it, potatoes.
These coconut.
No, my mum doesn't do that. She usually uses corn flour or regular flour just to thicken it up.
Okay.
And then whatever she puts in, I don't know, but she's got magic hands.
Okay, so you see today, yeah, what we're using to thicken this soup is the okra. And then we're gonna also be using, like, obviously you've already seen the pumpkin go in and you've seen the transformation of what the pumpkin's done to the pot. Now we're adding some yellow yam into the pot. Come in so that you can see the yellow yam. A good vibe. So you just put the yellow yam into the pot. And we've got some more yellow yam again. Yeah man, some more yellow yam. Alright, yeah, get back to the cooking now. Yeah, what was you saying?
We usually have soup for starters. We have them with bread on the side.
Yeah.
And then we have like a roast chicken.
Yeah.
With potatoes, we use to keep it classic. The chicken is always tender, delicious. Let it marinate from the day before. Everything's pre-cooked from the day before.
Yeah.
Even with the soup, my mum lets the old chicken from the bones. They marinate for a few with other potatoes.
Yeah.
Thyme.
Sunday.
So what nationality are you?
I'm Nigerian.
You're Nigerian. Okay, so what's the base vegetable that you guys use in the soup when you're cooking?
Okra or
So we've got some
cabbage.
Oh, you use cabbage, yeah?
Cabbage is the main. Cabbage or spinach. Bitter leaf.
What's bitter leaf? I ain't heard that one.
It's very sour.
Very sour,
Either you
but
can,
it's like when you're trying to do sweet and sour soup.
yeah. Or
Okay.
you can grind it up, make it come like kind of slimy, and use it as stew.
It's a stew, yeah.
If you heat it up, add a little bit of salt. It is bitter, but then you can add it with a pepper stew or meat stew.
Yeah.
If you add it with that, it tastes better.
Good vibes. So, have you ever tried the cocoa before? In Nigeria, they might call this one the cocoa yam. You
I
tried
haven't
this?
tried cocoa yam before.
You haven't tried it? Okay. So, alright. So, you come from Nigeria, but you haven't tried a lot of the
Not a
native.
lot of the native foods, no.
Okay. Alright, a good vibes. So today is the day where we try all the native food, people, yeah. A lot of the native food, which we've got cocoa yam, which is cocoa in Jamaica. We've got dasheen, and we've got yellow yam as well. But you're familiar with the yam?
Yeah, I'm done it.
Yeah? So are you guys a fan of yam?
100%.
Yeah. All different types of meat.
Okay, a good vibe. Big up yourself, people, yeah? You don't know what I'm going with there. You cut that now. Don't drop the apple and the pop mic. Catch us there. That is it.
Balling it up. So that means this thing is gonna come to play, innit?
Okay, yeah, I have to use okra. Look at the consistency. That's delicious. I'm gonna do that.
Wow, look at this, people. Look, so we're almost coming to a completion. Look at the color, look at the richness, people. We've got the okra, the dasheen, the cocoa, the yellow yam. The pumpkin is transformed our pot to an amazing rich color, and the thyme is kicking off. Look at them bubbles there, people. Are good vibes, you know?
That's a big pot. Oh, you guys smoking.
Wow, look at that, people. Yes, man. Look, look, the yellow yam up on top, okra. Wow. The flavor, the taste is absolutely amazing. Big up yourself, people. 24-hour kitchen. You don't know what I want. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode, people. Yeah, man, a good vibes, you know. A good vibe, people. Yellow yam. That man talk about, man. You can taste the Scotch bonnet pepper, everything. Good vibes.
Maybe when you go in, bro, man, I want to buy. You know, when I go there, a lot of people, they speak Shushu. I was thinking they're from my country, you understand? But bro, they rob, no rob, I'm not going to say they rob me. Because when they speak